What is up? We are back, Unit 2, Section 3, Parallel Lines and Transversals. So just to review, identifying angle pairs, there's a lot of vocabulary, a lot of options for some of these. So let's just run through a few review examples. So starting with number 1, we're talking angle 5 and angle 7. What we have here are corresponding angles. I'm just going to use that for angles to kind of save myself some writing. Angles 3, it's right here, and 6. So it's kind of hard to see, but we have a parallel, or not parallel, a line here and a line here and a transversal here. So we're not even doing anything with that, with this line down here. So what we have is lines on the inside, and they are on opposite sides of the transversal, so we have alternate interior angles. Okay, the next one, 6 and 10, we have, again, if you cut it like this, and here is my transversal. They're both on the inside. Angles 6 and 10 are on the inside, but now they're on the same side. So we have same side interior angles. 10 and 14, they form, I'll erase this quick, together they form a straight line, so we call those a linear pair. Angles 1 and 8. 1 and 8. So again, if I draw this, here's our two lines. Here is my transversal. They're on the outside now, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So those are alternating exterior angles. Angle 3 and 15. Those would be same side exterior angles. And last but not least, angles 4 and 7, a very important angle relationship. Those are vertical angles. All right, so we have a little bit of everything there. Okay, talking about parallel lines now. We talked about parallel lines last unit, but here's just a formal definition. Two coplanar lines that do not intersect. So they're on the same plane, and they're never going to meet because their slopes are the same. Okay, skew lines are two lines that do not intersect. So just like parallel, the difference here is they are not on the same plane. So this is going to be a wild drawing here, but let's say we have a plane here. We have some line kind of going through the plane, okay, or on the plane. We have a second plane down below, so it's like kind of like the floor and the ceiling. We have a line running along the ceiling. We have a line running along the floor. They're never going to meet because they're on different planes. So here's just a little better example, I think. It says, consider the diagram, fill in the blanks to make true statements. So line segment AF, so let's go ahead and draw that or color that in. So AF and blank are skew lines. So first of all, I need a line segment that's not even on this top plane here. So this is my top of the box. I need a line segment not even on the top. Okay, so we have a lot of options. We could say, for example, HD, high definition. We could also say, we could go BC. How about something like CD would work? Yeah, so we got a couple options. FH, let's clear all this. FH and blank are parallel lines. Hopefully this one's a little bit easier to see. So FH and, there we go, there's FH. Again, we have a couple of options. We could say AB up here. We could say ED. Or, I mean, if you want to go back here, CG. So there you go. Parallel lines, skew lines.